Hello, my name is Ajit. Today I am going to explain a program of stack, array implementation of stack. Demonstrate the working of stack of size n using an array. The elements of a stack may be assumed to be of type integer. The operations to be supported are push, pop, and display. A program should print appropriate messages for stack overflow and stack underflow. I'm gonna display my program. I have given a basic header file section, IO stream, input output stream. Using namespace std is using to, instead of giving the std before the couts and cin, I have given using namespace std. Int top is equal to -1. If top is equal to -1, stack is full. Constant int size is equal to 5 is the size of the size of the stack. Int stack size is the an array size is declared. Int push int data. A function push is declared here and an argument if not data type is given. Again a braces if function is used, if the condition is satisfied, it means that stack is full. Top is equal to size -1. Cout stack is full. It will display the stack is full if the condition is satisfied. Else top plus plus. Else the array position is moved to upper position. Stack of top is equal to data. Then the data will be stored in the position assigned. Int pop int data. If the top is equal to -1, if the condition is satisfied, then it will display empty. Stack is empty. Else topmost value will be removed out of the stack. Cout stack is empty. If the condition is satisfied, it will display the stack is empty. Else temp is temporary value is equal to stack of top. Stack of top is equal to 0. Top decrement minus minus. Return temporary value. Temporary value is equal to stack of top. I have declared a global variables int n comma I comma j int main. While n is not equal to 4, while loop is used so that the program does not exit until the user is willing to exit. Cout enter a option to display the option. One is push data and two pop data, 3 display stack, and 4 is exit. Switch case is used to call the respective functions whether to pop, push, or to display the value in the stack. I have given a cases in switch case. 4 cases. Case 1 is to cout enter value to push. Cin is I. Push I. Function is called. Break option is to stop the case. Now case 2 cout enter values to pop. C and scan the j. A is equal to pop of j. Pop to remove the j data. Cout A is popped. Break, it will stop the case. Now it will enter to case 3. For usually in the for loop, I is equal to 0, I is less than size, and I plus plus. Cout is a stack of I. Cout slash n to make a gap before that. Break statement is given. Case 4 is to exit the program. When 4 is entered, program is exited. Return 0. I'm going to execute my program. Enter a option. Enter option 1, push data. Enter value to push. Some 2 I have given. 2 is pushed. Enter an option. Again I have given a push data. Enter value to push. 3 is pushed. I have to remove the pop the data. I have selected a pop data selection. Enter value to pop. 2 is pop. See here 3 is pop. I have removed a value and I have added a value. 4 is exit. Thank you.